Each year, the Garden Media Group conducts a gardening trends survey and releases it prior to the new year with all sorts of information on the exciting new trends in the garden each year. And this year, one of the trends is color in the garden. So this year, they have chosen Cyber Lime as the color for the garden in 2024. Now there are other trends and we'll talk about those throughout the year, but this is one of them that we can highlight today and talk about highlight. Neons and this Cyber Lime are very trendy for this year in the landscape. So there are a lot of warm season bedding annual plants that come in those lime colors that you're probably very familiar with. Of course, we have this coleus here. Many coleus types come in that lime green color, often paired with these dark purples. We also have this lime sweet potato vine. We have creeping Jenny, which is a ground cover. Can be very aggressive, but is an excellent ground cover and spreads and trails in your bed and can be used as a border. In addition, we have lemon sedum, which was a Louisiana super plant a few years back. So those lime greens that are so great just really pop in the landscape. They actually pair very well with many different colors such as this magenta and this beautiful orange. So as you plan for the spring, don't forget to grab some plant material in that Cyber Lime color. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.